Brothers and sisters of the big road, you see that brand new Peterbilt 389 with the 13-foot flat top, chicken lights glowing like a Christmas tree, rolling down the interstate, pulling 46,000 lbs like it's nothing. That truck isn't freedom. That truck is a $250,000, $300,000 predator that will eat your bank account, your marriage, your sleep, and your dreams if you walk in blind. Today, Road Titans is doing what nobody else will. A complete, no BS, 5,000-word autopsy of what it actually costs to own and operate a semi-truck in America in 2025-2026. From the second you sign the finance papers to the day you either sell it for scrap or park it as a millionaire, every single dollar is getting exposed. This is the longest, most detailed video we've ever dropped. By the time it's over, you'll either say, "Hell no, I'm staying company driver," or you'll be armed with knowledge that 95% of new owner-ops never had. And that's why they go broke in the first year. Grab coffee, lock the doors, silence the phone. Let's roll. Buying the truck, new versus used versus the hidden traps. The first knife in the chest is the purchase price. Let's break it into 3 real-world categories in December 2025. 1. Brand new 2025 to 2026 sleepers. Peterbilt 579, Ultraloft, Kenworth, Tider T, Luxuswarranty Next Gen, de Freightliner, Cascadia, Volvo, VNL 860, Chichu, Sector Fidio, Peach International LT 625, Western Star 49X, average window sticker, $172,000, $198,000 base, at X15. Performance 500 HP, 18-speed Eaton, fridge, APU, disco sleeper, dual 150 gal tanks, full gauge package, collision mitigation, 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. You're at $205,000, $235,000 before taxes and FTTDE, 828 fee 42. 12% federal excise tax. Another $20K, $26K. Top of the food chain. Custom ordered. Peterbilt 389. Flat top or Kenworth W900. Icon 72. Flat top with studio sleeper. $245,000 and $292,000 all in. 2. Late model used. 2021, 2024, 350K miles. These are the sweet spot trucks everyone fights over. 2022, 2023, Cascadia and T6 on 8 sector. 579 with warranty left, 98 ton. $8,138,000. 2022 Peterbilt 300 Titanium Siding Heidi 89. Day cab or midroof. $135,000. $110,000. $68,000. 2021. 2022 Kenworth W900L Studio. 110 feet, 150 feet, 5,000. 100T, funding, $5,000. These prices are 20 to 30% higher than 2023 because inventory is still tight after the chip shortage. 3. High mileage budget trucks. 2018-2020, 700K 1.1 mm miles, 48,000 $8,000 and $78,000. You're buying someone else's deleted emissions nightmare or a glider that's about to need 40K in repairs. 9 out of 10 guys who buy these are broke in 18 months. Financing reality, 2025 rates. 680 plus credit, 3+ years experience. 7.2, 8.9%. 620, 679 credit. 10 to 14%. First-time owner-op programs, 12-18% and 25 to 35% down. Average new truck loan, 180K financed, 60 months, 8.2%, $3,850, $4,100 month payment. That's $46,000, $49,000 a year just to the bank. Before fuel, before insurance, before anything. Insurance, the silent bank killer. Insurance is the #1 reason new owner ops go bankrupt in the first 12 months. 2025 a national averages for a solo owner-operator. Primary liability, 1 members CSL, $9,500, $14,000 year. Physical damage, stated value, $160K, $200K, $4,800, $8,500 year. Cargo, $100K, $250K. Drahens in $800, $3,600 year. Bobtail, Pratin, Juan Freien Fee. Non-trucking liability, $400, Juan Tuan Thait, $50, $650 month. Total commercial truck insurance, $18,000, $28,000 per truck per year. $2,500, $2,333 month. What pushes it to the moon? Under 2 years CDL experience, plus rent 40, 80%. One at-fault accident in last 3 years, plus in 60, 120%. Operating east of the Mississippi, Plenty T, 25 to 40%. Pulling hazmat or oversize, double it. Living in California, New York, New Jersey, Florida. Easily $28K, $45K year. Health insurance, because you're self-employed now. 40-year-old healthy male, silver plan, $650, $950 month. Family of 4, $2,600 or $2,400 month. Grand total insurance category, $35,000, $65,000 per year for most real owner ops. Fuel, the biggest moving target. Diesel December 2020. National average, 3.78 gallon. EIA forecast. Real world range, 329. Texas to 565. California. Average MPG in 2025 trucks. New Cascadia T680 Euro 579 with downsped driveline 7.5 to 8.3 mpg. Peterbilt 389 Kenworth W900 aerodynamic brick 5.8 6.6 mpg. Average owner op running mixed 70-75 init 6.8 7.2 to 3.4 to 2.3 10,000 miles radon treaters 7 e do. MPG routers 15,114 gallons. 395 average diesel. Mine and friend father for barn 660 to fee. Chaban and forward $62,000 fuel bill. 130,000 miles. $73,000 Sutterstern. 1 theaters. 150,000 miles. $84,000 sun traders. Extras that kill. Idling 8 hours, night without. APU, plot 800, 1200. Gallons, year, 3K, 5K. Winter blend plus cold starts in Midwest, 0.6 to 1.0 P. Seikoichi, order impress. California low carbon diesel. Surcharge, 0.60, 0.90, gallon O. Fuel cards and discounts. Best fleets get 50/80C off with EFS, TCS, Comdata. Solo owner op usually gets 18 to 35C off. Still eating the majority yourself on spot market or percentage loads. Maintenance and repairs, where fortunes die. First 500,000 miles, if you baby it and stay under warranty. 10 to 13 cents per mile average. 110K miles, Salentitum. 11,000, 14 fee, 14 fee, 300 toward the year. After 600,000, 700,000 miles. The money pit years begin. Real average jumps to 22.38 cents per mile. Common 2025 year. Money bombs. Forest region DPF. Bake ash cleaning gone wrong. $4,500 with $12,000. Def header failure, Cummins, Detroit. 6800 9800. EGR cooler rupture. $8,000, $14,000 Sailulter. In-frame overhaul, Cummins X15. Detroit, DD15. $28,000, $42,000. Transmission rebuild, Eaton 18-speed. $9,500, $16,000. Rear differential replacement, $7,500, $12,000. Turbo failure, common at 800K 1M. 6,000 sword pindunder der Zudstorf. Sjord verduur 5, 700 der Tooth, Filador D2 DNC. 424 run. Real owner op I know in 2025. 2021 Cascadia, 840K miles, 1 month. DF head, plus turbo, plus clutch. Fox, $29,000 repair bill. That's 2 months of net profit gone in 30 days. Pro tip, budget a $25,000, $40,000. Repair escrow account by year 4 or you're finished. Tires, the never-ending subscription. 18 wheels, all of them hate you. 2025 pricing installed. D key, Pinkertoin Fames. Michelin X-Line Energy Z Plus Steer, $620, $680 each. Bridgestone M760 Drive, $680, $740 each. Honoree, Goodyear Endurance LHS Steer, $590, $650. Full set, 2 steers, plus 8 drives, plus 8 trailer, $7,200 to $9,800. Drives last 120K, 180K miles, if you're gentle and rotate. Steers 300K, 450K. Trailer tires 200K, 300K. Average owner op running 120K miles year. Replace drives every 15 to 18 months. Steers every 3 to 3.5 years. Trailer set every 2 to 2.5 years. Annual tire budget, $10,000, 14 DD Satur seat $14,000. Recaps can save 3K, 5K Ts a year, but blowouts cost more in downtime. Taxes, permits, plates, and government vampires. The government wants its cut every single year, whether you made money or not. 2015, Ponin twice. Form 22290. Heavy vehicle use, tax, $550. Full 48-state IRP plus cab card, $1,800, $2,900. If to license, plus quarterly filings, $150 plus fuel taxes owed. New York HUT, Kentucky KYU, New Mexico WDT, Oregon Bond, $800,800 combined. UCR, Unified Carrier Registration, $76. Pre-pass plus NorPass. Best Pass transponders, $250, $400 Kate, John Taylor's year. Personal property tax, depends on state you register. $800, $5,500. 1099 income tax plus self-employment. Tax, 15.3%. On first 168K. Massive total annual government permit bite. $6,500, $12,000 before income taxes. Tolls, parking, showers, and life on the road. Tolls in 2025 are insane. Real examples. Chicago Skyway Plus, Indiana Plus, Ohio Plus, PA Turnpike Plus, NJ Turnpike plus GW Duty, CW1Cs, TW Bridge One Way, 100D, $80, $240. Full Chicago to New York. Round trip, $450, $620. 10 trips a month in the Northeast. $5,000, $7,000 in tolls alone. EZ Pass discounts help, but many states killed them for 5-axle trucks. Parking and living. Paid parking when lots full, $1,835 night. 100 nights a year, $2,500 easy. Showers, non-loyalty, $14-19 each. Food, not cooking, $45.90 a day. Coffee, energy drinks, laundry, Amazon deliveries to truck stops. Another 4K, 8K year. Total road life expense, $18,000, $32,000 year for most solo drivers. The final math plus how the winners actually profit. Let's run 3 real 2025 scenarios. Scenario A, average new owner op, 110K miles. Revenue needed to break even. Truck payment, $48,000. Insurance, $26,000. Fuel, $62,000. Maintenance, tires, $24,000. Taxes, permits, Satutuan, Sabantutuh, tolls, living, $38,728 Total expenses, $198,000. Need gross 180 mile just to break even. Most newbies are taking 140, 160 loads, losing 20K, 40K year, while thinking they're making it. Scenario B, smart hustler, 100th 135K miles, leased to good carrier. Grosses $240, $2.80, all miles with fuel surcharge. Keeps older paid-off truck. Runs, recaps, cooks in truck, avoids Northeast. Expenses drop to 140K, 100 Cito. Net profit, 150K. 220K year. Scenario C, top 3%, 150K plus miles, own authority, dedicated, team or high-paying niche, 3 route silent 450 mile average, multiple trucks, paid-off equipment, net 250K, 450K plus per truck. The difference? Knowledge, discipline, and treating it like a business, not a shiny toy. There it is, warriors. Unfiltered truth about owning a truck in America in 2025-2026. This lifestyle will either make you rich or bury you. There is no middle. If this video saved you from signing a 200K note on a truck you can't afford, hit that like button. If it fired you up to go build an empire the right way, smash subscribe and the bell. Drop your biggest shock in the comments. Was it insurance, repairs, tolls, or the fact that most newbies are actually losing money while posting a boss life on Instagram? Next video drops in 48 hours. How to net 200K plus. Your first year as owner-operator in 2026, step by step. Until then, keep your logbook clean, your fuel tanks full, and your eyes on the real prize. Shiny side up, greasy side down. This is Road Titans. We don't just talk trucking, we live it. Now go make it happen.